So, today we shall learn to classify materials on the basis of their conductivity. Materials are basically classified into three classes: conductors, semiconductors, and insulators. Now, the type of material in which conductivity is the most and at any temperatures you will find free electrons is called conductor. If you see the energy band diagram, you will see that there is an overlap of the valence band and conduction band. So, at any temperature you will find some free electrons exist in the metal, and on being applied a potential difference across 2 points in a metal, there is a electrons move from the lower potential to the higher potential. So, in order to form free electrons in a metal, you do not really need to provide any energy to the material. The opposite class belongs what is known as insulator. So, this is the energy band diagram for metal. This is the energy band diagram for insulator. Metal, let us write within bracket conductor for the ease of understanding. So, for insulators, as you can see, there is a wide band gap between the valence band and conduction band. Typically, this band gap is as high as 9 or 10 electron volts or even more. So, this means that you have to supply a very large amount of energy to promote an electron from the valence band to the conduction band and ensure conductivity of the insulator. So this is the class of metal which are used to as insulator materials. So, when you need to develop the cover of a switch or a plug to be put into a plug point, in order to save the individual from electric shock, you basically give a covering of the insulator over the conduction material, so that the user does not get any electric shock. Nonetheless, we understand that in order to ensure conduction by an insulator, we have to give a very high amount of energy. So, naturally, insulators are not at all used for conduction purposes.